guys, Miss Brooklyn here. Welcome back to my channel, Miss Brooklyn's Beauty Corner. In this video, I'm going to transform into one of my favorite influencers, my sis, Aaliyah J. I saw this look on her channel a while back, and I thought this look was so beautiful. I was like, honey, I gotta recreate this look. It might have been the lip, the sickening wing. Something about this look just said power moves, and I just loved it. So in this video, you're gonna see me transform myself into the plus size version Aaliyah J. Let's go. Now, I look crazy, but Aaliyah J hair is always laid and sickening. So we got to start off with some bomb hair. This is hair from IShow hair. This is Malaysian straight. I have in 28, 26, 24, 22, and a 20-inch frontal. I'm gonna just pop this bad boy on. All I did was lay the hair down right now. I'm gonna pluck and do the baby hairs later, but I kind of want to melt the lace. You know, we're gonna work on giving the illusion of the, you know, significant bomb Aaliyah J hairline. We're gonna work on that. This hair is bomb. All the hair details is down below in the description box, and I also did a full video on this hair, so that's coming up next. But I am obsessed with this hair. All right, so I got my scarf on to lay and melt the hair down. I'm going to take a Royal & Lanico stippling brush and my Ciate London Dewy spray, and I'm going to spray my face now because just like my sis Aaliyah J, I am dry faced. Yes, honey, dry faced hoes in the building. As always, I do have a coupon code with Royal & Lanico to moisturize my face. I'm going in with the Sunday Riley CEO moisturizing cream, and baby, this is life. It is very expensive and bougie, but we're emulating our sis Aaliyah J, so we're gonna use nothing but bougie ass products in this video. But I swear by this moisturizer, if you guys have not tried it, go get a sample from Sephora. It is bomb. Next up, I'm going in with this Murad multivitamin infusion oil. Like I said, dry skin, and this is my first time using it. I'm just gonna put it on my face. You guys, most of these luxurious products I am using in this video, I got only for $20 in my Ipsy Glam Box subscription service. I highly recommend it. These are expensive products, like $80 products, and I only got them for $20. I'll leave a link down below to Ipsy Glam Box services where you can sign up and get your monthly subscription. Only $20 a month. You get 5 full-size products every single month, and they're all bougie. Last month I got like $180 oil, like $180 skin oil. Like, stop playing. You guys need to sign up for it. So I'm gonna just clean up my brows, and finally, I'm using my Fenty concealers. I got these since the launch, have not used them yet, and I have the shades 345 and 370. 345 is very yellow olive, and I am in golden olive undertone, just like my sis Aaliyah J. We have the same exact undertone. She is a hair lighter than me, but pretty much what works for her, I always use her as a comparison. What works for her most likely works for me, and I got the 2 shades because I wanted that golden olivey, so mixing 345 and 370 together worked perfectly. And I'm just going to clean up underneath my brows, and I'm just going to take this Royal & Lanico Precision Dome Brush and buff out the excess concealer like so. Both brows are carved out. Right now I'm going to prime my skin using my Fenty primer. This is the soft matte primer, and it's my first time trying it, so let's see how it goes. So like I said, I have dry skin. I'm going in with this Estee Lauder Estee Edit Hydrate and Glow. It is Hydrate and Glow Beam Team. It is discontinued. I'm sorry, it was sold at Sephora, but it's no longer available, but it's really good. And I'm just going to illuminate my skin from within. I love this stuff. So I'm taking the Fenty concealer in the shade 370, and I'm just going to correct my hyperpigmentation. So basically, my darker spots around my eyes. As you know, I'm a raccoon, and like my sis likes to call them, designer bags all day. We'll get no sleep, team, no sleep. Always work though, yeah. And I'm gonna just do around my mouth, yeah, all my hyperpigmented spots. I am an insomniac. Like, I'm up all night. I'm just gonna use this sponge, this lighting sponge from Pure Cosmetics. I don't use foundation, as most of you guys know, but if you're new to my channel, what's up? I don't wear foundation. I'm gonna take this NARS hydrating tinted moisturizer, and I'm going to put it on my face. It's like a CC cream, a BB cream. It's a tinted moisturizer. It's a light coverage, but it shows a lot of your skin. As you can see, it is a lot warmer than my skin tone, which I typically like. However, it has the golden olive undertones that I like. I can't pronounce the shade name, so it's gonna be down below in the description box as per usual. And yeah, I'm just gonna buff this into my skin. I love the undertone. I love that it makes my skin tone richer and warmer. That is my preference. I love to look warmer. My scarf was getting in the way of me buffing in, honey, but look at this, melted. Okay, and I did not even customize my hairline. It is melted. Okay, IShow hair, y'all might have just did something. Guys, this hair is amazing. It's been a while since I really had really good this hair. Oh honey, my dusty crusty lips are dry. I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced lip injections. I was put onto this by Aaliyah J. I have not gone back since. I use this so much. Like, this is like the umpteenth bottle. Next, I'm just going to highlight and conceal my under eyes and contour all that shebang bang. We gonna sculpt and chisel the face. And as you can see, the Fenty concealer buffs and blow nicely into the skin. Like, I really do love these concealers. After playing with it, I like it a lot. Yo, thumbs up if you make ugly faces while applying and beating your concealer. Like, what the hell is up with my faces right now? I can't even deal. I can't. So I decided to do something I never do, which is cream contour. Like, I really don't do this, but I wanted a snatch chiseled face. I'm using Aaliyah Girl Pro Concealer to cream contour, because honey, we gotta snatch this fat. Like, it gotta go. Bye. 2019, we snatching pockets, husband, granddaddy. Now let me stop. You know what, let me get off this voiceover. I gotta go. Like, I'm acting crazy. So next up, I'm gonna set my highlighted areas in my entire face using the new Fenty Pro Filter powders. I have the shade Banana and Hazelnut. Banana is going under the eyes. Hazelnut is gonna be dusted all over my face to set everything in place. You guys, I am so sorry I have you all looking at the top of my head right now. For some reason, my stupid ass decided to use a mirror on my table instead of my handheld mirror so I could be in frame. My bad, I apologize. Fun fact, I was filming this video at 2 o'clock in the morning just to wipe it all off. So I'm gonna blame me being out of frame on fatigue, okay? Yeah, okay, you know what? We're gonna go with that. Fatigue, all right. And I'm just gonna use this big fluffy brush from Royal Atlantical. It's their powder brush. Love this baby so much. Y'all know I use these brushes in every video. Y'all know. And I'm gonna use hazelnut and dust it all over my entire face. So to contour my face, I am going in with an oldie but goodie Anastasia Beverly Hills Arab contour powder. Like, you guys, I need to get more. And of course, another Royal Atlantical brush. This is their complexion brush, but I use it to contour because it's perfect for buffing contour powders in and creams or liquids. Like, it's amazing. So you guys might notice with me, I place the product first and then I go back in and buff out. It looks crazy at first, but don't worry, trust the process, because I do go back and blend. I like to place product first to get the most payoff and then buff. That's just how I do it. So now that we're well buffed, I'm gonna take my banana powder again from Pro Filter and I'm gonna just chisel and clean up my contour. Told you, we snatching fat all 2019. Heard you sis. All 2019 we snatching fat. Nah, dead ass we are. Follow me on my main channel. Y'all know I'm in the gym crazy. Like, the kid looking good. Going back over my entire face with my big powder brush, I'm just gonna blend everything out. You want to make sure your face is well blended and seamless. You don't see any lines of demarcation, so just take your time and blend. For blush, I'm going in with another bougie product that I got from my Ipsy Glam box. This is a Lancome blush and it is so freaking beautiful. It's gonna tie in with the lip that we're gonna do later. But honey, let me tell you, this blush is pigmented. I'm using it with my Royal Atlantical contour blush brush. This blush is so freaking beautiful. Like, I'm not even gonna hold you. For the eyes, it's gonna be really simple because it didn't look like she had much on her eyes. I'm using this ABH Master by Mario palette. I'm going in with this shade right here in the center, and I'm just gonna set my lids and buff it out. And I'm gonna use the lighter darker brown color next to it to just contour my eyes. All I'm gonna really do is just contour my eyes. I'm using another Royal Atlantical brush and I'm just gonna set my lids and just buff it out and contour my eyelids. That's it. So just taking a smaller Royal Atlantical blending brush, I'm gonna go into that lighter neutral brown color I talked about, and I'm just gonna contour my eye shape and just make my slanted eyes more pronounced. That's all. And now for the piece de resistance, I'm going in with my NYX liquid matte liner, and this is probably the best drugstore liner on the market, hands down. Like, I swear by it, and so does my she also swear by it. So we definitely going to execute an Aaliyah J wing liner. I have hooded lids, so I'm definitely gonna take this liner up very high. I mean, I don't want a really thick liner, but I don't want it too thin. I just want it real sharp. So this is pretty much what my liner is going to look like. I definitely feel like, now that I'm looking back at it, I could have gone just a little bit thicker, but it looks really good once the lashes and everything are on. It all pulls itself together. For lashes, I'm going in with these I Envy iconic lashes from my local drugstore. I said drugstore, my local beauty supply store. And baby, let me tell you, I'm here for these lashes. They really look so good, and like, they look like foaming. I'm really here for it. I bought like 5 pairs for like $5 each. For my bottom lash line, I'm going in with this Buxom Coal Black liner. It is so good, so creamy, so pigmented, and it stay put. I highly recommend this cold liner from Buck. Go and get it. I'm going in with my Ofra Cosmetic highlighter in Rodeo Drive. Really good highlighter. Love this baby. And I'm using that with a Royal and Lanicle highlighting brush from the Mermaid collection, I believe. So this is where Aaliyah and I differentiate, because in her look she was not super highlighted, not from what I can see, but you are watchers of my channel, you already know I'm lining my lips with ColourPop lip pencil in the shade Dukes, I believe. If that's not Dukes, that's Pitch, but I'm gonna have it down below in the description box for you guys. And the first lip color I'm going in is from Beauty Bakery in the shade Tiramisu. Next liquid lipstick I'm going in was with Colored Rain Roulette. All right, all done. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to go off camera and style my baby hairs and pluck the frontal a little more, and you know, make it flatter and everything like that. You know, Leah J approved, and I definitely will have a detailed video on that because I'm filming that simultaneously with this one. But here is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this transformation. I really hope you enjoyed watching me turn myself into one of my favorite beauty influencers who I have the pleasure of meeting, hanging out with at industry events, and she is just the sweetest, most humble, most down-to-earth person ever. Like, I really love this girl so much. This girl is amazing. Aaliyah, I love you, boo. I know you're gonna see this, sis, so I love you, boo boo. Hit me up on the gram. And yeah, you guys, you can also hit me up on Instagram. Follow me. Links and names is down below in the description box. Thumbs me up, please. It will help my channel out immensely. Again, my hair is from IShow hair, and yo, I highly recommend this hair so much. Yo, big things are going with this hair. Like, it's really amazing. Like, thank you, IShow hair. This hair is bomb. All right, guys, I'm out. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next video.